Hey, hello everyone. My name is Ravindra, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing generative pages in the Power Apps. By using this, you can just describe what you have to build. Okay, by using React code in the modern application, it will create a page for you. So let's go and see this feature. So this is a blog just I have written. So in this, all the things are mentioned, what prerequisites required, how you can create. If you need, you can follow this as well. So first prerequisite, your environment must be located in US region. That is already done. Then you need to enable new AI powered Copilot feature for people who make app. And then this is just a preview feature. This note is given. So I'm in the environment. Go to the manage section. Select your environment. In settings, product, features. Here you can view this option. Okay. Then let's go to the Power Apps. Okay. So in the Power Apps, here I just creating one table by using a prompt here. Create expense table and 10 entries. Okay. So I just use this. Let's click and save and exit. So a table is also generated by using GenAI here. Okay. Now we will create a model driven application that having the fluent React design UI, okay, by just using prompt for this application. So let's go. Our table is created now. So friends, you can see I just open my expense table here, and from here I just click on the create app. Let's give the name to this application expense and just clicking on the create here. So our application is creating. So friends, here you can see our modern app is created now, and in this we have the one group. In that we have the expense form. Okay. So now let's go and design this form in the new way with the new design. Okay. So let's I go here, go to the describe page option. Okay. Let's I click here. So it is initializing the control. So let's give here data here, add a table, expense. Now let's we give here prompt. Okay. So we will design a prompt by using the Copilot here. So friends, here you can see I just created a prompt by using a Copilot and just copying and just pasting this prompt in our app here. Okay. So our prompt is ready. Let's go and click on the generate button and let's see what output we are getting here. So this is purely coding is done by using a generative AI. Now it is creating a complete end-to-end plan what he has to do. So if you see, it is just fail as well. So I just told him to retry you. So this is a preview feature. So it is not completely 100% accurate. So friends, if you see, I tried to create the application by using an expense table, but we are facing error. But after that I just given a prompt to create an responsive list based on the contact dictionary, that is pre-built UI. If you go on the new page and describe page feature, so here we have this inbuilt prompt they are share with us. So I use this prompt. Okay, and by using this prompt, you can see now I have this page. Okay, if I click on this page, it will be open in the new tab with the form, and you can fill the contact information here of that user. You can edit this record. Okay, This is old UI of that application. Okay, it is opening in that. Okay, so you can see this contact information, and here we can be edit this record here. Okay, so this is just dummy data as well. So in this way, generative pages will effect in our upcoming model-driven app feature. So you can also use this feature. Okay, just try this. Thank you, friends. Keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. Have a nice day to all. This